What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the videos. There's over 500. Subscribe. And yeah, let's get straight into this one. G-Star Raw jeans. So this pair that we have, I don't know what it is about this color that I really like the detailing stuff. Some people might say slightly old-fashioned, but you know what? I love it, man. Just the colorway, the design, everything is amazing to me. This style is a Staq 5-pocket slim. It does say that here. So Staq 5-pocket, hidden bar tags, enhanced reinforced back pockets, shape enhancing darts. Other Staq pairs I've bought have had extra pockets on the back. This one just has odd stitching lines, to be honest. I don't know what that's about. Shape enhancing apparently, but I'm not feeling it. As always, good old G-Star jeans do have that brown leather patch. G-Star Originals Raw. Standard plain on the back, to be honest. They are a really plain pair of jeans, but they're so nice because they're simple. There's more so here, you know, where it's a bit more interesting. So standard pocket here, standard pocket. They don't have an extra pocket like jeans usually do here. Instead, it's got one right here. And this pocket does have the good old quality control that all the G-Star jeans come with. This garment has been carefully controlled on any defects and is signed by someone in G-Star Raw. So always check the pockets of your jeans. If you buy some G-Stars brand new and they don't have this in a pocket, you know, don't know what's going on there. Not saying they are fake, but you know, it's a bit odd. And yeah, they are button up. I don't know if I prefer that to zips, but yeah, it is what it is. I don't really have too much more to say, I'll be honest. I don't really have much to say. I just really like the color. Short quick review on them. They are a indigo dyed garment. May mark surfaces are washed separately. I do have to let everyone know, if you buy this pair, like this colorway, let me just read out the colorway for everyone. Dark aged. If you buy this pair and you wear white shoes, white trainers, white on the bottom, this will bleed onto the white shoe. I've had it before, and I don't want everyone else to make the same mistake because it's annoying. I actually had it on a pair of expensive shoes when the denim bleeds. It's not nice, man. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. Same but different as a very similar pair that I have, and I've got this colorway in a different style of G-Star jeans, so the regular tapered ones. If I'm real, I don't see much of a difference between these and the regular tapered ones, so I'd rather just get the tapered ones in the future. The Staq 5-pocket slim. This pair, I don't know what's going on. You know, Staq normally has the extra pockets and stuff. It's just usually got pockets here as well, like on the side, just for fun or whatever. But this pair is just a very plain old, reminds me of the tapered one. Not much different. But yeah, let me know what you think of these jeans. Tell me if you like them, hate them, rate them, all that good stuff. Go check out all the other jeans reviews. It turns out that I've done loads of jeans reviews for everyone who cares about them. But yeah, let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.